ito yung morning mat. So this is where we go and burn our calories, and at the same time, ano to, fill our cups, no?
Iba kasi si Coach eh.
Si Coach Culver. You'll meet him later. Iba siya. Hindi lang siya coach. Pati mind, body, and soul. Mind, body, and soul coach siya. Kasi, I mean, syempre, ibang coach, body lang talaga. And konting mind. Ito, may kasamang soul. So, iba. I've never met a coach like this.
Me
Have you?
too.
I've never met a coach where I'm excited to go because not to... Actually, I'm so lazy. Kung walang coach, nasa bahay pa rin ako nakahiga eh.
Actually, sinabi ko sa kanya last time, and sabi ko, Coach, sobrang sure ako nung when we did the Friday workout, kapag wala ka doon, hindi ko to tatapusin. Sure ako. Kasi hirap na ako. But I finished it. Because he was there. He was motivating me to finish it.
Babe, look at the screen. Sana hindi tayo mahulog sa cliff. No? Sa bangil ba ang tawag sa cliff sa Tagalog?
Bangin? Well, tingin ko sa laki ng screen na yan, ewan ko na lang kung mahulog ka pa dyan, diba?
When do I stop? Whoop!
Oh! Wag,
I'm just joking.
Medyo nagulat ako dun.
Tara na. Let's go. Ay, horse. Yan, si Coach Laurent. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. This is our gym. Yung bag mo. Let's go. See Chef this. Leg day.
Chef, na 6 seconds pababa. Then, yung pang after ng 5 repetitions, drop ng weights and hold.
Sana one day maging ganito yung katawan natin. Pero kung gusto mo maging ganyan, sabi ni Coach, no sugar, maraming bawal, so ang hirap kasi bilang kusinero, hirap. Coach, ano to?
So, ito yung mga standards na tinuturo natin sa gym na kapag nandito ka na sa standard na skills na binigay natin dito, alam mo na nasa optimal state yung strength mo. So, ito yung mga standard exercises.
Yeah.
So, dito, tinuturuan ka niya mag-compute kung ilan yung gusto mong mangyari sa weight mo. Let's say, you are 160 pounds times 15, that's 2,400 calories. So, if your goal is for fat loss, just minus 300 from that. And then if your goal is for bulking, just 200 plus. So,
since nakilala mo kami, masasabi mo bang paano yung nag-progress na ba kami? Paano kami simula and how are you now?
Oh, sobrang layo. To validate kung ano yung progression na nangyari, what we could do is to do the testing again. You remember what we did to the first day? And then from that record, you remember the first day that we did the testing, the squat, the pressing, when we started, we will be doing the same test and then you will see your improvement from the first test. Day one, from day one.
Tingin mo, as how you see us working out now, like today, how our form is, how we look also.
Ako, more than you look, how you present yourself na. Mas energetic na, mas confident na. Makikita mo dati in the beginning nung pumasok si Chef dito na ganito pa, na dito pa lang, sense everything na already. Posture, confidence. Also, I feel like you're more connected to your body when we're performing the exercises. I know that you really using the right muscle to perform the movements already. More than just going through the motion and going after the reps. So dun pa lang malaking growth na yun on how to move the body very efficient.
Yun yung sinasabi ko na mind, body, and soul. Kasi yung sinabi ni Coach kanina na it's how we carry ourselves iba na. So it's not just like being, muscular, so to speak, but also yung inner feeling mo inside.
Yep.
And that's what you call inner strength, right?
Alam ko, one of my goals is become really strong.
Yes.
Since, like mom said, medyo mahirap na lahat. 13 kilos na siya.
What? 13 kilos na na-lose mo?
13 kilos na si Ben.
Okay. Di ba kanina sabi namin na wala kaming gana mag-workout. Pero alam naman namin na pag apak namin dito, bigla kaming magaganaan. Kasi, nakakagana naman talaga eh. Kaya tinatawag nila tong awaken.
Yes! Kaya siya awaken guys kasi we invite people to be more present in their selves, in their mind, in their body, and in how they present or express themselves.
Tama,
Kaya siya
tama.
awaken.
Tama. Boom! We are going to Centro Holistico for... So today is well-being day. Gym, fitness, body. Well, maraming mind and soul si Coach. And then, dito sa Centro Holistico, body. And then, mamaya, kakain tayo sa body pa rin. Shoutout ko lang yung asawa ko na binili niya yung pants na to. So yeah, yung stylist ko talaga, I know nababasa ko sa comment section. Yung stylist ko talaga yung wife. She tells me what not to buy. Kasi sabihin niya na hindi worth it daw. Tama naman siya palagi.
I'm just being practical.
Hindi, at saka I'm sure lahat ng mga lalaki mag-agree sa akin na palagi tama sila. Boxy, macho, rugged, diesel, modern, spacious, national shirt, astigo, may vent. It's kind of like a chef shirt. And then, I don't know what brand this is. That's a Cotopaxi hat. This is from Thrift. And then a Veja. Alright, let's go. Lunch. Dito siya sa Pioneer, Mandaluyong. Mandaluyong tama, hindi siya Pasig. Yeah. It is a standalone. Where is it? Here. You make a left here. I've been here how many times? This is my third time. It's called Pluck. As in, plak. Plak, 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 plak. Basta na.
Si Chef Ralph kasama ko sa...
Oy.
Dalawa kami na gano'n.
Naggumawa na ito. That's a nice car. Half chicken. And then, ano recommend mo kung dalawang small plates kunin ko?
I suggest the flatbread and then the onion tart, chef.
Okay. Oo, masarap yung bonito butter nyo. What drink should I get? Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic. I suggest the water lily, chef. It's made from a chamomile tea, lime juice, and then elderflower syrup.
Okay, sige. I trust you. So this is a wine bar at night.
No, it's a rotisserie chicken and wine bar, so it's both.
Uh-huh.
And then the menu's designed around both the wines and the rotisserie chicken.
It's elevated roasted chicken, right?
I guess, yeah.
So basically, hindi siya mom and pop roasted chicken. Hindi siya lechon manok. Ha, tandaan nyo ha, hindi siya lechon manok. And yeah, look at that kitchen. It's as open as it can be, right? And it takes a lot of confidence to open a kitchen like that. Astig, diba? Astig talaga. Kung gusto niyo guys mag date night dito, gusto niyo mag-score sa mga asawa niyo or sa niligawan niyo dito. Tapos dito kayo mo tabi ng kitchen. Tapos ito yung mga kusinero. Hi guys. Musta? Day off ni Chef Keith, no? Wala siya. And ito yung special roasted chicken nila. And yung menu nila basically, pinapaikutan nyo yung manok, no? And everything that goes well with the chicken. And there's only one protein.
No, actually, we have 3.
Yeah?
We have the chicken, we have the pork, the Iberico pork, and the lamb.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. How's the lamb cooked?
Lamb is grilled.
Grilled.
So, yes. Tapos
Where's the griller?
Small griller lang.
Yeah, there. Okay. And then what was the other one?
The Iberico,
Oh.
so sous vide siya.
Okay.
Then we grilled it also.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And every day there's family meal.
Yes. Family meal. So, the family meal rotates around everyone then. So, parang, yari, 1 week, ano siya, schedule. So, for Monday, we have these people that does the family meal. So, every week it rotates.
So every day may family
Every
meal
day,
kayo?
family meals.
Wow. So, like today, ano yung menu?
Today, Sir Manuel, sinigang.
Sinigang or KBL? So, kadyos baboy. So may kadyos talaga? Sino yung Ilonggo dito?
Yung wife ko siya.
Taga saan? Taga diin?
Taga-Agdiliran po.
Okay. So tinuro niya sa'yo to?
Yes, siya.
Okay. So ginagawa niyo to sa bahay?
Yes, siya.
May mga family meal ba na that makes it to the menu?
As of now, wala pa.
Wala pa. I mean, yun ang buhay ng restaurateur. They're having fun. At the same time, they're stressing out and having fun again. Ito yung mga new breed of restaurateurs and chefs. They're very easygoing. They look like they've traveled. Hence the design and the approach to things. And you know what? Baba ko muna yung camera. Magkwentuhan muna kami dito. Ha? Mamaya na.
Spaghetti halib.
So it's just
Pero
lemon.
medyo pero linagyan ng twist. Especially on a Hortense heat.
And this is the special roasted chicken. And then gravy is just the jus.
Yes. So, process, we brine the chicken and then we stuff shio koji in between the skin and then the meat.
Right.
Tapos we roast it and then we make chicken stock and then season it again with shio koji just to thicken up. And then yun yung magiging jus. And finish with simple chimichurri.
It's been a good day today, pero chicken is awesome. Especially today. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Look at the guys. They're so happy. Ayun. Yan ngiti na yan, oh. Ano?
Huli ka ngayon.
Uy, anong hinahanap mo?
Kaya naman ang treasure.
Ano hinahanap mo? Kanina ka pa naka...
Pata siya pa.
Yung pata. Tingin. Uy.
Ako na lang ba?
Sige lang. Yung sinasabi nila, the grass is always greener at the other side of the fence. Siyempre, it's greener kasi may kanin eh. Masarap.
Masarap siya.
Oh.
Sir Manuel yan eh.
So, first time mo ito naluto or...
Lagi siya. Madalas, lalo na pag weekend.
Nire-request rin nila.
Opo.
So may menu na talaga?
Hindi siya, parang pag gusto namin magsabaw, sabaw. Parang cravings din ang lahat.
Okay. Sige, tuloy mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung mukha niya. Ayaw niya talaga madistorbo. Yun. Saya nila. After ng family meal, may break. Or yun na yung break?
After lunch service ko, 3 p.m. yung countdown, tapos may 2 hours.
Kasi panghapunan ka.
Yes po.
Ano ang pakiramdam na sa trabaho, may isang oras na nakaupo kayong lahat? Tapos yun, alam mo yung nagkukwentuhan lang. Ano yun?
For me, ang nararamdaman ko lagi is like, parang sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam magtrabaho. Parang walang boundaries, bawat isa like DOH and POH, parang sasama kayo sa isang table para mag-share ng thoughts o manangyari araw-araw or mga kulitan. Kasi most of the restaurant, like, hindi naman po talaga nangyayari yun.
Christmas lang, di ba?
Special event like Thanksgiving, ganun lang. Dito, araw-araw, which is sobrang saya. Sobrang saya, like, hindi, bihira ka talaga sir makakita ng ganitong culture of work na araw-araw ay nagsasama, tapos yun, puro saya lang, puro ulitan.
At saka yung output ng mga kasama mo or yung output ng mga team members mo, maganda.
Yes, mas nakikilala mo sila deeper. Sa way na ganito, sir. Mas madali mo silang pakisamahan. May problema sila, alam mo agad. Kasama sa kainan.
May sinabi yung manager nyo na yung tungkol sa family meal nyo na tayo nagsuserve ng masarap na pagkain. So kailangan yung kainin natin masarap.
Mas masarap.
Mas masarap.
So kaya may ibang mga trabaho, may nagbakasyon, tapos sa ibang lugar, tapos gusto nilang i-share yung thoughts ng food na nakain nila.
Experience nila.
Niluluto nila dito.
So kumbaga, lahat na niluluto nyo may kwento.
Yes, may ganun. Kunyari, ganito yung niluto kasi personal favorite ng father ko. Ito yung na-adopt ko. Ganun.
Ano yung sa'yo?
For me, ginataan ako sir. Sa ginataan ako mas
Ginatang ano?
Ginataang isda na may mustasa. Yun lang sa
Naalala mo ba nanay mo dyan? Or tatay mo?
father ko, most of the time.
Siya yung nagluluto.
Yes. So, marunong din siya magluluto. That's why, pag umuwi ako ng probinsya,
Bicol yan?
nagre-request ako. So, Tagalog kami sir, like Mindoro.
Mindoro. Sige, kita mo sa... Anong pangalan mo ulit?
Rico sir, Rico.
Kita mo sa mata ni Rico nung sinabi niya yung dish. Meron siyang personal na connection. No? Yun yung sinabi ni Ralph and ni Chef Patrick. Lahat niyo daw na sinuserve sa staff meal may kwento.
Yes.
Kayo out na kayo?
Yes.
Ano oras out niyo?
4.
Oh.
7 to 4 kami.
Okay. Then bukas, ano oras pasok mo?
Up ako tomorrow.